WeChat prohibits its users from using cryptos and NFT services. Cardano launches the final candidate for the Mainnet Vasil release. Dogecoin breaks resistance levels like it's nothing. Shiba Inu community fails to burn above 1 billion SHIB tokens in a week since the launch of the SHIB burn portal. JP Morgan says Bitcoin price may remain under pressure. All that and more in this video. Welcome back. WeChat prohibits its users from using crypto and NFT services. The Chinese owned social networking platform WeChat has just issued new rules regarding crypto assets. Note that WeChat is the biggest social platform in China. Basically, WeChat will restrict or ban accounts that issue, trade, or finance cryptocurrencies or NFTs. Such digital assets are now considered illegal business. China views NFTs as having the potential to become a means of collecting funds, both legally and illegally. Therefore, it is feared that underground banks or loan sharks will emerge, as well as shadow banking activities. WeChat itself is under Tencent Holdings. With 1.3 billion monthly active users, the ban will certainly have an impact on NFT trading. Now let's jump to the next one. Cardano launches the final candidate for the Mainnet Vasil release. According to IOG, Cardano Node 1.35.0 will be the final candidate for the Vasil deployment on the mainnet. Notably, the move marks an essential step toward the launch of Vasil testnet and mainnet launch. The development team noted that the Vasil upgrade is code complete, and it has successfully completed Vasil testing on the new Plutus V2 code. In general, Vasil testing has gone relatively smooth, with positive results recorded in performance and costs. The Vasil hard fork is an event that is very important for the Cardano blockchain. The upgrade is expected to enhance the network's performance, especially with smart contract functionality and scaling. This will take place next month. Next piece of news. Dogecoin breaks resistance levels like it's nothing. The daily time frame suggests that Doge is getting close to the major resistance line of the 50-day EMA, which is often considered a barrier between descending and ascending trends. In the event of a breakthrough, Dogecoin will be set for a strong recovery rally despite already gaining 40% over its value in the last 7 days, which makes it one of the most profitable assets in the crypto market. In the meanwhile, Doge easily broke through the 21-day moving average, which is used as a signal line during strong down or uptrends. The line's breakthrough puts asset in the reversal candidate classification. Let's talk about SHIB right now. Shiba Inu community fails to burn about 1 billion SHIB tokens in a week since the launch of the SHIB burn portal. The Shiba army was unable to burn about 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens since 23rd of April 2022. Data from the tracking platform ShibBurn shows that only 565 million Shiba Inu tokens have been burned in the past week. Besides weekly burns, the Shiba Inu community has sent a total of 220 million SHIB tokens to the dead wallet through 17 separate transactions in the last 24 hours with the help of ShibBurn portal. Let's keep going with today's news. JP Morgan says Bitcoin price may remain under pressure. Strategists at JP Morgan believe that the current Bitcoin sell-off by miners could make it difficult for the price of the asset to bounce back, especially if the trend continues. According to the strategists, the offloading of Bitcoins by miners in order to meet ongoing costs or to deliver could continue into Q3 if their profitability fails to improve. However, it's not all bad news. It turns out there's a drop in the cost of mining Bitcoin from around 18K to 20K earlier in the year to 15K this month. This is due to the drop in hash rate and mining difficulty over the past 2 weeks. Well, that's all for today and see you on the next one.